Everybody has a mental image of what a vinyl pool used to be, but I'd like to take you on a tour and show you what we call a J&M vinyl pool. A J&M vinyl pool spa combination is equipped with a Latham fiberglass spa. These spas are different because they have a very nice texture on the inside, as well as many different finishes of colors that you can choose to match the inside of your pool. These are all premium select materials that are chosen specifically for each job. This pool is equipped with a tanning ledge with a bubbler system on it. Every tanning ledge that we construct has a bubbler in the center of it, and these not only have a functional purpose to keep the water disturbed, keep it moving and in circulation on top of the tanning ledge, it makes for a great hangout area, great area for non-swimmers as well. Another small detail that we like to construct on our vinyl pools are the poured lids. The poured lids are poured concrete, mimicking the look of our pool deck, but it gives a nice monolithic look throughout the deck where you don't have any traditional plastic skimmer lids. When you expose a pool wall, it creates a two-tier system where you have an upper deck and a lower deck. This makes a great area for a hangout area like a fire pit. Here we have an 18-inch natural stone fire pit with a gas burner on the inside. When designing a fire pit, it is best to complement the pool materials by using the same materials on the fire pit. Thanks for coming on this tour today. We're very excited about this project that we completed here, and we're looking forward to what we can do for you.